Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is PREET BIRANG, and those of you who already know me, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you guys a detoxifying फेस मास्क और इसमें जो भी मैं इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज़ करूँगी सब आपके घर में अवेलेबल हैं, तो आपको कुछ भी खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now when I say detoxifying face mask, so this face mask is specially created to detox your skin. Now by saying that, it helps you in getting that natural glow, removing all that impurities, dirt, excess oil from your face so that your skin can look fresh and glowing. Let's just get started. Before moving forward, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. First item which you guys would be needing is a multani mitti. And the second thing which you would be needing is a aloe vera gel. I'm using a Patanjali's aloe vera gel, which is again easily available anywhere. Ingredient which I'm going to be using is a turmeric. The fourth product which I will be using is a lemon juice. Now I'm taking a 1 tablespoon of multani mitti. अब quantity बिल्कुल depend करती है, आपको ज़्यादा बनाना आप ज़्यादा बनाओ, नहीं तो आप मेरी तरह 1 tablespoon ले सकते हैं. So I'm taking 1 tablespoon of multani mitti, and then I'm going to be mixing like a pinch of haldi into this multani mitti. Make sure कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा turmeric नहीं ले रहे हैं, otherwise this will leave stain on your face and you will see that kind of like a yellowish color on your skin. So make sure you are not taking too much of turmeric. Third I am taking is aloe vera. I'm using 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and I will be mixing it into this multani mitti and turmeric. Now I'm using a fourth ingredient, that is a lemon juice. Taking 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and I will be mixing it into my paste. Just mix it nicely and make sure that the consistency is not too thick and not too thin. अगर आप इसको अपने face पे apply करें, so it should not be too much watery or it should not be too much thick that you're not able to apply it. So make sure that the consistency is equally balanced. So this is what your consistency of the mask should be like. Very balanced and easy to apply on your skin. So let's apply it on your skin. I'm going to be using this silicone brush to apply this mask on my skin. Now make sure you have already washed your face, clean your face, and then apply this mask. So after cleaning my face, equally applying this mask on my face, just going very gently. If you guys like, you can use your fingers, but I'm using this silicone brush because it's super easy to apply the mask evenly on entire my face, and this brush actually covers my entire face very easily. So I always use this silicone brush to apply any of the mask on my face. Make sure you don't forget your neck area and apply the mask on your neck as well, because your neck also needs to detoxify it and hydrate it. So make sure you apply it on your neck area as well. So yeah, we are all set. We have applied the mask. Now I'm gonna be leaving it like that, and I'm gonna be waiting for about like 15 to 20 minutes, like leaving this mask. It will be letting it get naturally dried. So after getting dried, this is how it will look. And I know कुछ parts ऐसे हैं जो लग रहे हैं कि dry नहीं है, but it's almost there guys. बिल्कुल dry हो चुका है. Now once you see something like this, make sure you wash your face. You don't have to use face wash. Just ऐसे ही रिंस कर लो अपने फेस को पानी के साथ, and then use a towel, a dry towel to soak the water from your face, and make sure कि आप अपने चेहरे को रब नहीं कर रहे टॉवल के साथ, हमेशा पैट करो. That is a perfect way. Now next I'm going to be using a moisturizer to apply on my face. आप कोई भी moisturizer यूज़ कर सकते हो अपना फेवरेट अपने फेस पे लगाने के लिए. कभी भी मत भूलो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, फेस मास्क है, मुंह धो रहे हो, एनीथिंग, हमेशा मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाओ और अपने नेक पे ज़रूर लगाओ. अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई एरिया आपका रेड हो रहा है तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. जस्ट वो थोड़ा सेंसिटिव स्किन होती है, इस वजह से थोड़ा सा रेड होता है, तो परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. नेक्स्ट अगेन नाइट टाइम है, इस वजह से मैं अपना स्लीपिंग मास्क यूज़ कर रही हूँ और मैं उसको इवनली अपने फेस पे लगाऊंगी. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन टोटली स्किप दिस पार्ट, बट आई एम फॉलोइंग माई नाइट केयर रूटीन. नाउ वंस दैट इज़ डन, आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी using my eye cream, so which is a आई क्रीम फ्रॉम फार्मेसी। अगेन ये ऑप्शनल स्टेप है, आप इसको स्किप कर सकते हो। Now let's move on to our lip care. So मैं जो लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क है वो यूज़ कर रही हूँ। आप कोई भी लिप बाम यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने लिप्स को अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज करने के लिए और हाइड्रेट रखने के लिए। तो ये था गाइस मेरा डिटॉक्सिफाइंग मास्क विच यू कैन क्रिएट एनी डे, बट मेक श्योर you don't use it too much. You can use it once a week or maybe twice a week, but not more than that. So after using this mask, you'll definitely feel a difference on your skin. Your skin will look more fresh, more hydrated, more moisturized, and this mask has so many benefits because it includes multanimitti, turmeric, lemon juice, and aloe vera. So all these ingredients are super good for your skin. Make sure you try it out, and just in case you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'm gonna catch you guys soon with a brand new video, but make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. Till then, stay safe, take care, and I love you guys so much. Bye.